Hi, I'm Janice Stewart, owner of Modern Cleaning with my husband Tom Stewart. I'd like to introduce you to cleaning with dry steam vapor with tanks, one of the chemical-free tools in the modern cleaning chemical-free cleaning methodology. For this demonstration, we're using the Advanced Vapor Technologies Ladybug 2350 Techno with tanks disinfecting technology. When we need to achieve cleaning as well as disinfection, such as on a kitchen counter where food preparation occurs, modern cleaning recommends wrapping the triangular head for two reasons. First, the cloth helps to direct and localize the steam over the area where it is applied. And second, the cloth is able to remove both the soil and the now dead germs and a few that manage to escape the dry steam vapor disinfection. It is this two-tool system that doubles down on germs and bacteria to achieve a level of disinfection that not only kills but physically removes more germs and bacteria than many other disinfecting methods. Remember, before you use any equipment that applies moisture to a surface, be sure to confirm with the client the surface composition and any warranty restrictions regarding the surface to be cleaned. This will help you build trust with the client and avoid situations where even dry steam vapor may not be the best solution for cleaning. To disinfect with a triangular or rectangular brush, wrap the brush according to the procedure previously demonstrated. Attach the brush according to the manufacturer's instructions. Set the steam vapor and moisture level to 1. Apply the wrap brush lightly over the area to be disinfected. Press the trigger to release the steam. Move the wrapped brush slowly and deliberately so that the disinfecting steam is in contact with each square inch of the surface for at least 7 seconds. Remember to let the steam do the work for you. Resist the urge to press down with the tool. Agitation or pressure will not help the steam disinfect any more effectively, but it may cause you to tire more easily. Remember, the removal tool is just as important as the cleaning and sanitizing solution. Modern Cleaning recommends the use of ultra-microfiber, especially a brand that includes an antimicrobial agent integrated into the cloth, such as Perfect Clean. And always remember to change cloths as each becomes too dirty or saturated to be effective. Now, before you take your hands-on practice quiz, you might want to review the procedures presented here with the video before demonstrating your proficiency to your supervisor. Happy cleaning!